Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alpha. In this video I'm teaching you how to develop Android apps. So in this episode we want to fetch the data that I uploaded, that we uploaded on a previous lesson. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share my videos, also download my application called DevSelfTech. So now what we want to do, I want to show you. I just created the layout for our card view, so that will display the product image and the product description. So what I did, I just created the card view. So if you want to create this type of layout, you click on a layout, then you say a new. Okay, then you come to layout resources, then you write a product item admin, so that will display the downloaded items. Okay, so I also added the text for deleting and the text for uploading samples and the date of our last upload. So now let's go to Java. So what I did in Java, I just added a utility, utils. So it's very simple to add this. You can create a string, then you write this. Okay, so after writing the product and the product URI date and the key, you can write products, then you just leave it like this. Then bottom of this, to make it simple, you click Alt and insert. Okay, then you create a constructor. If you click create a constructor, then you select all items, then you create a constructor. After that, once you are done, then you can come back at the bottom of this. You can click again Alt and insert, then you set getters and setters. So getters are already found, so then there's no need for that, so I'll close. Then after that, you create a new folder again. So you can say on your file, then you create a package name, then you write adapters. Okay, so this is the same way of creating this utility folder. So now inside this folder I created a class. So a class is very simple, just then you type a product admin adapter. So it's very simple. So this is my adapter. As you see, it's just an empty adapter. So also I want to tell you something. I created this before, but the video didn't record well, so now I'm repeating. So I just by the time recording this the previous one, I just copied this time. Okay, so I copied this time because I want to save time, because I almost recorded a video about 40 something minutes, but the video didn't it says the video is corrupt to save the video. So now I am now starting again. Okay, so what you want to do here, we want to create instance, then we call the recyclerView a dot adapter then we want to give our adapter name. So we'll say product holder. So let's say product view holder. Okay, then we say dot we want to say product it's product admin. It's a product admin adapter, then dot. So now you want to create a view holder. So you say product view holder inside this. So now we simply create the class, then we implement this. Okay, so inside this you must create a view. So you make extend the recyclerView holder. Okay, then you want to create a constructor inside this. So now it's okay. Okay, so on top of this we want to, bottom of this we call our context. We say context, then we give it a context, then we say a private list, then we call our util. So our util is product. As you see, this is utils, then this is the product items. So we call this this products, then we import the class, then we say a product list. Okay, so that we don't forget. Then inside the bottom of this we want to create a simple contact login. So now what we do is just say public, then we call our name. So name of our activity is adapter. It's adapter. Then we call inside, we want to call the context, then we say context, then we say comma, then we call the list. Then our list is products. Okay, products from utils, so we call our products. Okay, so then outside of this we say a product list. Okay, so we create. Then now we want to call this, so we want to initialize this, so we say this context equals to context semicolon. Then we say now we want to call the product list, so we call this product list equals to product list, then semicolon. Then after that we want to on a view, so we want to initialize our product items, so we call view, then we can say view in short. Then we layout flat, so we want to inflator, then we say dot from, we import from the inflate from context, so we call our context. Okay, so out of this then we inflate, we say dot inflate, then we call ara, then this is a layout, so we call our layout, then we say dot, so we call our products admin, so we say product. Just remove this browser, we don't need browser. So we want to import this class, so I import this class and then say a product item, then comma, we say parents, comma, then we make it to false. Okay, so it's now okay. Then we return the view, so here we say equals. Okay, on that error just add equals, so we return our product adapter, so we say product view holder, then we call view. So there's an error, so this error is because it's returning new. Okay, so yeah, we can say new, and CI. So the error has been fixed. So now we are done there. So you are now going on bind view. So inside this bind view, we want to call our product. So we call the product class. So we just say products equals to products. Okay, so then equals to, we want to call the product lists, then get, then we put on a position. So now it's ready to retrieve, it's ready to place the data, but you can't place the data because we didn't add anything in our product view holder. So what we want to do, let's return the size. So to return the size is very simple. So we say we return using the products list dot size. Okay, so now inside this, in between of a product view holder item, then with the recycle view, we want to call our text view. Then in text view we have a product disk. Then we have time. Okay, this it's okay, you can say call time or date. Then we have a delete. We have upload. Okay, so now we have an image view. So this is a product image view. This is a product image. Then inside this we want to initialize our item. So we start by products. So products description equals to, this is a item view dot find view by ara.id. Okay, so then we say a product description. Okay, so then semicolon, we duplicate this. Okay, so now we want product image. Then we come to product image. Then we come to time. Then in our product item view, it's date. So we go back and say it's date. Okay, then this is delete. Then you say delete. Then at last there's upload. So you say upload. Then you set upload samples. Okay, so you are done there. Now we want to place our downloaded items inside this activity. So we'll display this by calling, at first we can call a holder. We say holder dot products disk dot set text. Then inside this we call our products. Then we say dot get. So now I want to get product description. Okay, so as you see, now we want to call the image. In image we don't call holder at first, but we call Picasso. So we call Picasso, say Picasso dot get load. So we want to load the URL. So we say products So we get the URL, then we set into. So this dot is outside of the load, so we load this to post, we load this to products, then we get we load this, sorry, we already captured, so now we want to set into holder, so we set into holder dot product image. It's very simple. So into holder, yeah. So let me save the project. Okay, so as you see, we added 2 of these items, but we need time, so we need time and date. So I'll create a string of the time, so I'll call a string, let me say time equals to let's say time, we can say final time, okay. Then we capture this time by saying products dot get date, then we close this. So we'll create this time, so I'll say create outside of this. So as I told you that I coded this code, but I coded this date, but the code, the recorder, it says the file that I recorded is corrupt. So I think the tool that I'm using to record these videos, sometimes it records, sometimes it doesn't. So now inside this we'll create a string, then we'll say convert time, then equals to null. Okay, then we close. So now I will also create a string, another string. So I will say string ago, okay, equals to, then I'll place ago as a string, then I'll close this. Also you can stipend, I'll give you 2 options. Let's duplicate this. You can say now, so that if the time is captured in a 0 seconds ago, so it's up to you. You can say ago, you can say now, so it depends, you will choose one you want to use. So this is the time that I developed a few minutes ago, so I'll copy this time so that I will not repeat the coding again and again. Okay, so I'll paste it below here. So as you see, I used a ago. So it depends on which you want. So these are the seconds, these are the seconds, these are the minutes, these are the hours, years, months, weeks, days. Okay, so let me import the classes. So I'll import the classes. Okay, so it's now okay. Let me check. Okay, so what I need to do, I want to say holder. So you want to add the time inside the holder. hold time, then we call time. Okay, so this time is this time. So let me say a time ago instead, so that will be different from our holder. So I'll say time ago. Okay, so that the system will not be confused. So now it's up to you. So I shown you how. So if you want to use now, you can say, you can change this to now. Then your time will change also. So right, we are done. Then let's go to main activity. So in our main activity, we want to initialize the adapter and our utils so that we capture the data. So this is an adapter. Okay, so we say we call a private, then we call the list. So inside this list we call our products utils. Then outside of this we say you can continue using product list. Okay, so now we say private, because sometimes if you change this product list, your class, your adapter will give you some errors. So you say private, so you can use the same. So now we want to call the private. Then now we want our product adapter. So we say product admin adapter, then we say admin adapter, then we close. Then now we want recyclerView. recyclerView equals to recyclerView. Okay, so then let's continue. I think I'm done there. So now I want to initialize, so I can come and duplicate one of these. Then we say recyclerView, then we call this product, I think I said recycler, yeah, product recycler. Okay, so now inside this we want to initialize. So we want to initialize our adapter, in Firebase, but also no, it's adapter. So now we want to, so we'll say recyclerView dot set hash size. So you say hash size, fixed size, then we make it true. Okay, then bottom of this we want to call our products. So I will say product list equals to new array list. Then we leave it like that, we don't add anything inside. Okay, so now it's now initialized. So now we want to capture the data, so we'll capture the data. You can call on start, on create, so we'll just call on start, then on start. Then inside this start we want to query our data. So why I'm querying the data, because it can happen that so it can happen that this application will be used by your country. You can program this to be used by country or a community or your villagers to advertise their product through the app. So you want to limit users so that each user can upload maybe 30 images, or you need 40 images of their products. But if you are the one who will be using this, then you can make a maximum number of 100 maybe. Okay, so now I'll call the product ref. Remember, we have a product ref inside this. Then we need, for now we don't have any registered user, so I will not call the child of m user, so we'll just limit this to, let's make it to 20 or to 30. Okay, so each user can retrieve maybe 30 items. So now I want to query, I want to call our query dot add value listener. So it's a event listener, then you say new value. Okay, so inside this we start by a product list, then you want to clear the list, so you say product list dot clear. Then outside, then we say for a database snapshot equals to database snapshot. Then we say snapshot dot get children's. So now the children's that you are getting is the same children's that we updated. So we create. Okay, so now we want to call our products utils, so we say products utils. So we call the products, we say products, then we say products equals to data snapshot dot get value. So now I want to get value. Okay, so inside this value we want to add our products. So we say products, then we give a class so that we remove the error. Okay, so now we want to add our product list, so we add our product list dot add products. Okay, so this product is this product. So now we close this, then we call our adapter. So now we say admin adapter. We want to call admin adapter to admin adapter equals to new it's a product admin adapter. Okay, so inside this we call again product adapter dot this, then we made a comma, then we need to add our product list. Then we close this and see if we have any error. Okay, so as you see, this is the context, but I added the adapter, so this is the context. So it's an admin. Sorry for that, this is a admin main. Okay, so we solved the error. So now we want to set our adapter, so we call recyclerView dot set adapter, then inside this we add admin adapter. Okay, then admin adapter dot notify on a data change. Okay, so as you see, it seems like we are done. Okay, on this we'll add we can add this add a value listener. Sorry, we can close this. Okay, because we have an error here. So if we cancel, then you can make a toast, but usually I don't like to add, but let me add this, a toast message. Yeah, so I will say error dot get message. Okay, so we are done, but we want to add something. So I saved my project. So on start of this app, we want to show the progress dialog. So you can say the progress dialog. Let me check what we used. Okay, yes, we used the progress dialog. So this is called the progress dialog dot set. We want to set. Now we will set a message. Okay, so now we'll set a message. Then we say loading products. Then we write in small letters because it's not a topic. So we say loading products, comma, you can say please wait. Okay, please wait. Please wait while loading products. Okay, or you can say loading products, so you can remove, it's up to you. You can say loading products, then you make this sequencing. So now we want to set, so you can say a progress bar dot show. Okay, so if we touch this, we can enable this so that if someone touches, this will disappear. It's still okay. Then we come here, we say progress dialog. Then now we want to dismiss progress dialog. So we say progress dialog dot dismiss. Then I'll copy this and paste it inside here. Okay, so our coding is done. Our coding is done. So now let me save this and let me run the project. We'll let you know. So let me run the project. If there's an error, we'll let you know. Okay, the progress bar disappeared, but there's nothing to display. So let's go back and check what's gonna be the problem. So let's check the problem. So if we come to query, I think I made a mistake on this part. So let me call the database direct. So I'll call a Firebase. Let's try to call Firebase database dot get instant dot get reference, then dot child, then I think we said our reference is products, so we'll write products here. Okay, so our products are stored under this this reference. So now I think let's try again. So I'll plug my device. Before I plug my device, I want to give you the passcode for this adapter. So let me go to the adapter. Then here in the adapter, I'll give the passcode. So it's 2025, then complete by alpha. Okay, so it's 2025 alpha. This is a download passcode for this adapter. So now let's go back, then we run the project. So I'll plug my device. Okay, so the physical device is connected, so now I'll run. Okay, so the data is not displayed yet, so we'll check again. So our code is not bad, but let's check. So as I said on start, which means some of the files of this will not be initialized. So let's try to take this adapter. So we'll move this file, then I will come and paste inside here. So I'll paste inside on start. Also we'll create, I created this code, so just I'll paste this code here. Okay, so on top of this, in a global, you write liner layout manager, then you write this liner layout manager on front, then you put a semicolon. So let's try again. Code, because our code is not bad, but there's few things that I made a mistake. So let's run and see. Okay, so let me run the project. I will launch. Okay, so as you see, wow, then the data is being downloaded. Now it says 2 days ago, and it says 3 days ago. So yeah, but we have a small problem between on time there, so between our goal. So let's go back to adapter. Let's go back to so to to fix hours or date and time between time and ago, you come to string on top, then you put a space before go and a space before now. So it's only that. So please, for those who are new, please share my videos, download my application so that you get the latest updates. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video, in the next lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.